Hi, I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra, where you trust the real estate brokers with Empire Fine Homes.
Today, we're breaking down how the Queens real estate market has changed over the last 5 years.
And we are focusing on single family homes because that's where the shift has been the most noticeable.
Let's start with prices. Back in 2020, the median sales price was around $675,000.
By 2022, it jumped close to $800,000. But since then, prices have leveled off.
As of 2025, the median price is just under $800,000.
Closed sales are also down. In 2020 and 2021, we were seeing around 3,500 to 4,000 homes selling per year.
Now in 2025, the number has dropped to around 2,500.
Fewer buyers, less activity.
Days on the market have increased. In 2020, homes sold in about 35 days.
Now, it's taking around 60 days or more to get under contract.
Buyers are moving slower, and sellers need to price right from the start.
Inventory is building up. In 2020, we had 3.5 months of supply.
Now, in 2025, we're looking at 6.2 months of supply.
That's officially putting us in a more normal market.
More inventory, more choices, more negotiation power for buyers.
So what does this mean to you?
If you're buying, you're going to have time and leverage.
And if you're selling, a strategy matters more than ever before.
Don't test a high price. Market strong and work with experts.
We're here to help. At Empire Fine Homes, we've been guiding buyers and sellers since 2003.
If you want real advice based on data, not drama, let's talk.
That's right. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more updates.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.